I am going to teach you the civics chapter 11, the Constitution of India. In this chapter we have to learn about the meaning of the constitution, the role of the constituent assembly, the preamble, the nature of the state and the objectives of the constitution. What is the meaning of the constitution? Constitution means a set of rules and regulation according to which a country governs. It defines and determines the organization of the government and the powers exercised by the various organs. So, as we are having the democratic system of government, having the parliamentary form of government, in this government we have the three main organs. They are the legislature, executive and the judiciary. The organ which makes law is known as the legislature. It just like the parliament, and the executive, the branch of the government which is responsible for putting laws into effect, and the judiciary, a system of courts in our country. Now move to the next point, the role of the Constituent Assembly. So what is Constituent Assembly? It was a body which was framed to make constitution. It was formed in 1946 according to the proposal of the cabinet mission sent by the British. The assembly consisted of important leaders and represented all communities and political parties of then India. That's why this constituent assembly was known as the mini India. Now, the drafting committee. The Constituent Assembly on 29th August 1947 appointed a drafting committee to prepare the draft for the constitution. It consisted of 8 members. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. Now, date of enactment and adaptation of the constitution. The constitution was enacted and adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949. But our constitution came into force on 26th January 1950 as the makers of the constitution waited till 26th January because this date was specially chosen to coincide with the anniversary of the Purna Swaraj Divas, which was adopted in the Lahore session of the Congress. And move to the next, the preamble. What is preamble? Preamble is the introduction to the constitution. It begins with "We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic." This sovereign socialist secular democratic republic are showing the nature of our state, and the objectives are the justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. So sovereign, what is the meaning of sovereign? Sovereign means the country is free from the outside rule from internally and the external. It is fully free and to govern itself. And the socialist means the social and economic equality of its citizens, and this word was adopted by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Now secular, this term was added to the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. It means that India does not have any official religion. The citizens are free to follow any religion according to their choice, and the government will not provide any fund for the construction of any religious structure. Now the democratic government is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. The citizens of India choose the members of parliament by casting their votes or thus by universal adult franchise. It means the citizen who attain the 18 years of age and having the sound mind, they are eligible to cast their vote. And republic is a state with an elected head. And India is a republic because the president, who is the head of the state, is elected for a certain period of time. And the objectives, as the 4 objectives of the Indian constitution: justice. All Indians are equal in the eyes of the law, irrespective of their background, that is caste, creed, religion or sex. Liberty, it means the freedom. Every Indian is given the freedom to move and thought, in speech, expression, belief, and freedom of faith and worship, and the equality. All should be treated equally in the society. Every citizen is entitled to enjoy equal opportunity. And the fraternity, it means the brotherhood or the universal brotherhood of mankind. India is a land where the people of various castes, religion, language, and the communities live here. So we have to ensure liberty, unity, and integrity of the country. All Indians should have a feeling of brotherhood towards each other. So, in a democratic country, Constitution is the vital document according to which the government functions. So, today you have learned the meaning of the Constitution, the formation of the Indian Constitution, the implementation of the Constitution, the nature of the Constitution, the preamble, and the objective of the Constitution. In my next video, you are going to see all the answers, and you have to write the answers in your copy.